So what's the difference between a laptop keyboard and a mechanical keyboard? Well, a laptop keyboard typically is very low profile and not the most responsive in terms of when you click on it, you don't get that tactile response of actually pressing down a key. It doesn't make too much noise. Compared to a mechanical keyboard, just listen to the difference. It's almost like I'm playing an instrument. Every single click gives me a very tactile response. Great for if you're playing any games that require pinpoint accuracy, or if you're going to spend all day typing on a keyboard, might as well get a mechanical keyboard for that awesome, comfortable typing experience.